Section 7, Video 4. In this video, we will review best practices for storage. Spread heavily used storage across LUNs that are accessed by different adapters. That helps to load balance the I/O across different data stores. VMFS file systems suffer a performance penalty if the partition is unaligned. Use web client to create VMFS partitions which automatically aligns the VMFS across 1 MB boundary. For the best iSCSI performance, enable jumbo frames when possible. Provisioning more LUNs with fewer virtual machines on each one can enable ESXi servers to present more I/O requests to the array, which helps to increase performance and I/O throughput. For best storage performance, consider using VAAI, VMware Storage, APIs for array integration, capable hardware, and ESXi will automatically recognize and use these capabilities. For active passive storage arrays, ESXi uses MRU, or most recently path policy by default. For active storage arrays, ESXi uses fixed path policy by default. ESXi can also use the round robin path policy, which provides load balancing by sending a fixed number of I/O requests through each one in turn, and load balance mix of high and low I/O VMs on the same data store. To summarize, we reviewed design best practices for storage and understand how I/O load balancing can help load the data across different LUNs. Thank you for watching.